Hello and happy Friday. My name is Michael Leeserman here with the Trial Guide's tip of the day. It is September 6, 2024. Our tip today comes from the book Big Rig Justice, a comprehensive guide to maximizing value in truck accident cases. It's written by Michael Cowan, who is our guest here today. Michael, will you read today's tip, please?
Sure. You want to make the case bigger than one driver and one collision.
Make the case bigger than just that collision. How do you do that?
Well, it takes work. I think a lot of it you have to go into why did the crash happen? Both, why is it a bad safety choice by the company that led to the crash? What was the company's motive? But most importantly, why is there a danger if the jury doesn't act that something like this can happen again? If you believe in the reptile, which I don't necessarily totally believe in that, but it has to be, a threat to the jurors. I think it's more that if jurors know that what they're doing is important, that it can help not just make up what happened to your client, but help society, help prevent other people from being injured or killed. They're more likely to use the power they have to act and do justice in the hope that it doesn't happen again.
Absolutely. Why is this case important means why is the jury's verdict important? They want to know that why they're taking off work, why they're sitting through this trial actually means something, right?
Absolutely. And it doesn't even have to necessarily be about what led to the crash, because sometimes you really do have a company that is running fairly well, that has a driver that hasn't had a prior crash. And it truly was, negligence, but an accident and probably not likely to happen again. But sometimes the defendant's post-crash conduct, the way they're treating your client, the hiring, paid opinion witnesses to come in there and say your client's not hurt when they are, that's bad conduct. And that also creates a danger because they can get away with doing that to your client. They can get away with doing that to anyone. And that can also be a motivator to make the case bigger than just your case so that the jury has a motivation to follow the law and do justice.
What I find a lot is that the post-crash conduct that really bothers a jury is the failure to take any kind of accountability for hurting your client.
Absolutely.
All right, lots to think about. Taking your case and making the facts bigger than just the truck crash. Thank you for sharing your wisdom with us today, Michael.
Thank you so much for having me.
You're welcome. Let's take a deep breath together and just be grateful to be alive today. May our actions as lawyers today exemplify the profession at its highest ideals of honor and truth. May we fiercely and compassionately champion our clients' causes. May we tell their story in a way that rings true and is important and meaningful. I'm going to ring a bell 3 times now. This can take you into a meditation practice, a prayer practice, or just remind you, wake up, go out, do good things, and have fun while you're doing it.